Hey guys, it's Miko coming to you from Southwest WA. It's freezing actually, the weather now. It's getting pretty cold here. So I'm pretty rugged up at the moment while I'm recording this. So I wanted to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum and what's happening and my thoughts. Yeah, for those of you in the know, like traders and stuff, you would know that Bitcoin did a huge retracement the other day. Well, a few days ago. So I'll show you the chart on the weekly with Bitcoin. So I posted this on my Twitter and Facebook and everything that I don't think there was any reason to panic because we only retraced to 61.8 on the weekly chart, um, which was drawn from the lowest pivot point here to the highest point there. Um, and yeah, so I think it was overdue, way, way, way overdue for a retracement. I didn't think, to actually draw a fib chart on the weekly. I'd drawn mine on the daily, so um, you know, I wasn't expecting it to be going back to this spot here. I'd drawn it up higher, so yeah. Anyhow, it did go there, and this would have been the ideal buy zone, right? In this box. So that is where a lot of institutions have now bought up. I've heard uh, they bought up like billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin isn't going away. It's not gonna, you know, I these are my opinions, so not financial advice, but I'm thinking, I don't think there's going to be any more dumping, like major dumping from this point. I think we are going to be in like a reaccumulation um, phase at the moment, like up and down. Like if you can see here, this is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which means it's going to go up and down and up. I think it's going to go up here, possibly go back down again, and just it's really good for trading because you can sell at the top and buy at the bottom and sell at the top and buy at the bottom. It's a really good way of actually making back money if you didn't sell right at the top. You can, if you know how to trade, you can trade like that all the way back up because I don't think it's going to dump personally anymore now. Although I do think, um, you know, they're playing on people's fears, and this might be a bear trap. So um, just be careful because it could like dip again in this box. Everyone will go, "Oh, it's a bear market now," and then everyone will short. When in actual fact, it's just a bear trap, and it's going to go back up. So that is my opinion. I think we are going to consolidate and go back up again. Um, so, and the same with Ethereum, which I've been trading on Binance. You can see there's like it's below this trend line here. And I'm waiting for it to break out of it before, like break and then retest before going long again. I think with Ethereum, that's what's going to happen there. I don't know if we're going to be consolidating for as long as Bitcoin. Um, with Ethereum, I'm thinking that it's just going to go up, retest, and then go again. Yeah, so I took a couple of trades recently on Ethereum. That's what these things are. Based on a really simple formation called the Morningstar formation, which is basically two long candles and a skinny bull candle in between, which is called a Morningstar. And it happened twice, and both times I spotted them on the 4 hour. I spotted this bull candle and this bull candle, and I thought, um, possible reversal. And then I went down in the time frame to the 1 hour and the 15 minute, and it was giving me all the right signals. So I hopped in, and these trades played out beautifully, and I made a few $100s, which is good. So I'm not complaining. And that's like, it's such a good skill because, you can make money just based on a simple trading signal like that, which is a morning star. Yeah. So that's in my trading plan. I trade these whenever I see them. It's just like a quick, yeah, I'm in, and then I'm out within a few hours. And um, I've got to the point now I feel confident I can trade with more money. Um, I'm going to be putting a lot more money in my trading accounts, I think. So actually at the moment with ETH, I can see now it's bounced off the 23.6. So it's, this is holding as support now. So I'm going to be watching this and seeing, because I think it's going to break out. If this holds as support, it'll break out, and I reckon it'll go to this level, come back down, retest, and then go. So yeah, but again, this is just my opinion, so don't be going and placing trades based on my opinion. It's best just to get educated yourself and know, exactly what I'm talking about, and know how to spot patterns and everything. So yeah, there's a link to a free trading webinar in my bio. That goes for 20 minutes. And yeah, if you've got any questions, just hit me up. So, excuse my voice. Other things that I want to talk about. Let's see. Oh yeah, so I did a tutorial on how to buy Pokemon, which is a new token based on Pokemon, which I think is going to take off like huge. And it basically did, nearly 50% in the last day as well. So it's coming back. It did a nice healthy retracement as well. And now it's coming back, and I think it's just going to skyrocket. So I've done a tutorial on how to buy that in my previous videos. So if you just go back and have a look, you'll find it. Yeah, very, very exciting Pokemon. And so you can actually check like what the price of things are, because this doesn't actually tell you the price, by going to coingecko.com and just typing in the search bar the coin that you're looking for, and then it tells you the price. So Pokemon is this price at the moment. It's not even 1 cent yet. So this is a good coin to get in. Because imagine, when word really gets out, because this is only like 3 weeks old. When word really gets out, yeah, you could very well 100x your money. But yeah, not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. Pokemon, and I also bought some Clue as well. I'll show you on PancakeSwap. Where is it? PancakeSwap. Yeah, so you can check your wallet like this by clicking up here, and then you can see all the coins that you have. And adding coins, you press that here like that, and then you can either search for them if they're a popular coin, or you have to actually add the contract address to add a new token. But yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm not like putting all my eggs in these new tokens in that one basket, because it's purely speculative. Like, this is like, I'm only, allocating a very small percentage to these coins, like a few $100s type of thing. And like, most of my portfolio is in safe coins, which are basically the top, in the top 10, you know, you can't go wrong holding. You've got to like have coins that you're holding long term, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dot, BNB, ADA, and Link, which should, you know, I've heard should make up 50% of your portfolio at least, and that's what I'm doing. Like this whole dip really made me reassess where I'm at with my holdings and stuff. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. And then speculation coins, I'm only putting in like 10% of my portfolio. Um, and then I'm also holding other coins, um, which I heard are good to also hold long term. Let me see. Oh, we're there already. Yeah, so I was looking at um, Matic, Luna, Rune, Sol, Uni, KSM, eGold, GRT, and AR is basically what I've been recommended to also hold as well long term, because when bull market really is going to come and hit, I reckon all those coins I've just mentioned are going to make it, whereas a lot of coins probably won't by that time. So that's why it's so important to know how to read charts so that you know when to sell. So I can't recommend doing or learning that enough. And that's why I keep going on about it all the time. Know how to read charts. You know, the education that I took only cost me, it's only costing 150 a month, basically, US dollars. So, um, you know, I can't recommend it enough. And you basically get to watch market scans like daily nearly with our mentors, and they show you their thoughts and their charts. And yeah, it's good to hear their points of view, but I think the best thing is to form your own um, points of view as well, and relying on, you know, obviously your own education rather than just blindly following what someone else is saying. So, yeah, that's probably pretty much all I wanted to say. I'm just looking at my Binance chart. See, here again, you can see a morning star formation happening, which is a very bullish signal. So, yeah, I hope that has been interesting. And that's just my journey update. And I'll talk to you guys soon.